Hi, welcome to Cocktails with Coco. It's Vlogmas. I forgot what day it is because we've just been flying through December. But today we're gonna be making a pear martini. This is my favorite martini. I get it every time we go to the movie theaters. I'm a little sad movie theaters aren't open, but whatever, I'll make it at home. So first things first, as always, we're gonna chill our glass. Oops. Now we're gonna start building our drink. Grey Goose pear. I've never seen another pear vodka, but I'm sure you could probably just use regular vodka, put some pear juice, but we're gonna use the pear vodka. We're gonna do a shot and a half of that. You guys, I'm so happy I'm back home because I have my Boston shaker and my jigger. I'm just so excited. Okay, now you're gonna do about an ounce of your pear nectar. That in there. Now you're gonna take Disaronno. Use this very lightly. Once you start putting too much, so Disaronno is very sweet, and the bottle tends to like crystallize on itself. So while my brother's doing that, he's so strong. Thank you. We're gonna do some simple syrup. Just a dash of the Disaronno. A little goes a long way with this. I have had this bottle for about probably 40 martinis. Just a little bit. See, that's all you need. Now we're gonna squeeze some fresh lime juice. That in there. Now add some ice to our shaker. I'm gonna put it into, I like putting it into the still side because then I can release feel. Shake. All right, we're going to dump our ice. Now we're gonna rim our glass. Now I'm normally not huge on the sugar rims because it's just a lot of calories. But on this, it just, oh my God, so good, adds to it. All right, regular sugar. Look how beautiful that is. And now we're going to strain our martini. Look at that. Now these glasses are very large, so it always looks like you don't have a lot of martini, but you do. Sometimes this is great if you want to make a double because you don't want to have to keep going back. Look how beautiful this is. Pear martini. All right, let's try it. So good, my dog wants some. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share with the homies. Cheers.